everyone, and welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Starting with the weekly chart here, we can see we are still in a very nice clear impulse 1, 2, 3, finishing a wave 4 and looking for a wave 5 towards the upside. Now the potential of a finished wave 4 here, I explained it so much the last 2-3 days about the different reading and counting of this wave, which opens several scenarios between bullish and bearish. Now, unfortunately, of course, the potential of bearish scenario is higher in this count. You can go back to the videos and see how I analyze this wave and how it might unfold, and the difference between the bullish and bearish scenario, because it's still valid and it's forming actually now in the price action. However, what I want to focus on this video is the wave 5, this pattern that I have predicted just by being inspired by the wave 1 of this impulse. Okay, so I want to focus on this video on this wave and what is coming next, and of course on the price action. In this wave, of course, it has been inspired by this wave 1, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to form the wave 1. And the 1 of 1 took almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 weeks to form. Therefore, I can say the same based on Elliott Wave analysis. The 1 of 5, the wave 1 of 5 should take the same, at least, more or less, but it should be very close in time, because based on Elliott Wave theory, the wave 1 of an impulse should match the wave 5 in time and price. So when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then yeah, that would work perfectly, hitting almost the area that I want for a wave 2 between the 0.618 and 0.78. Looking further into the 4-hour chart here, we can see that yeah, that would work perfectly by hitting this fib level, finishing a wave 1 here. And if we open our scenarios here for the wave 2, we can see that it might match so much the fib level of a wave 2 exactly given here. Okay, and of course now you see so much things, it looks very messy, but I'm gonna explain. This is a price action, current price action. Yesterday my video has been made here, right? And I told you we're gonna see lower prices, right? We got kind of a confirmation for lower prices, and this is exactly what happened. And what we are looking at here on the 4-hour chart, it looks like kind of a diagonal, or even like 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe triple 1, 2. To go closer to it and look at it, we can see that, of course, here I cannot count a 1, 2 because yeah, I mean, this 2 could not hit the 0.38 fib level. It's very low possibility. However, if I count this, that would be more as a 1. This would be more healthier. Okay, 1, 2. It could be another 1, 2, and we are looking at 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, that's very possible. And I said, okay, we want to fill this gap. Now we are in the middle of it, so basically we want to continue it till the end. Now let me explain again. My scenario here is, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1, right? And looking for a wave 2, right? And in this case, this is the highest possibility now. The wave 2, the time of wave 2 taken from the start of wave 1 to the end of the wave 1, the time of the wave 2 is matching perfectly with even with the pattern has been drawn before. If this is my wave 2, okay, and this is the box that I want to hit the time as based on time, and I want to hit these fib levels. So I'm gonna move this a little bit to the side. So what I mean with this is that your three waves, you want to see it hitting exactly after the 0.618 and also hitting exactly this fib level. Okay, and that now, for now, everything is working perfectly for it. Therefore, this is the highest possibility scenario now. Okay. Now the new scenario, which I mentioned yesterday, and I think it is time to put it on the table now, is a potential of a diagonal. And as you can see, the yellow lines, the big yellow lines, these are always made, by the way, for diagonals. When you see those lines, it means I am indicating diagonals, contracting diagonals. So, in this scenario, we are looking at three waves up, okay, which that's why this opens as well a scenario here for diagonal, because we are looking at a zigzag here. Then three waves down, then three waves up, then we are looking for three waves down for a wave 4, and then one more wave towards the upside for a wave 5. Therefore, this makes it a contracting diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Once this diagonal is finished, of course, then our wave 1 count should move to this side. Then your wave 2 is gonna be more late, coming later, right? It will need more time. However, of course, then if we take the wave, the time taken from the start to the here, look how much time is gonna be later, right? So this is what is the difference now. It still have lower possibility than a finished one here. Okay, this is a lower possibility. Our main possibility now, or higher possibility, is this wave 1 here. Okay, and then we're looking for wave 2. Now, if we see a formation of a zigzag here and then going down, hitting the fib level, hitting exactly the fib level between 0.38 and 0.5, taken from the wave 2 to the wave 3 as a retracement, if this in a form of zigzag hit exactly here and retrace towards the upside, then the possibilities are very high for a wave 5 finishing a diagonal. This is how we make sure that we are in a diagonal, then finishing a wave 1, then we are looking for a wave 2 after. However, this still now very low possibility. I need to see first a zigzag, first, second, hitting exactly between this area, third, seeing a rejection and move towards the upside to say that this is a higher possibility. Okay, this is how I put the possibility higher or lower. And of course, now what is next? I said yesterday is that we want to hit this level here, right? And in this level, the 1.6 was taken, of course, from this 1, 2 here. If I'm considering that this is a 1, 2 here, okay, let's try to, okay, I have to adjust it. That was taken yesterday. So my 1, 2, let me go closer. Okay, so the 1, 2 exactly here, yes. At 60,800 possibly, finishing exactly this impulse. As I said, it might be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Of course, the 1.618 is always for a wave 3. However, if you hit the wave 3, that would be already a beautiful trade, of course, already taken from this point here. I think it's over than 5, or yeah, it's almost 4.7% so far. So this is very nice. Okay, guys, so this is your next target as well, which is in confluence, by the way, with the diagonal wave 4, and it could be, by the way, in confluence with finishing a wave 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it's still very it's a very tricky here if we are in a diagonal or in a wave 1 in a wave 2 towards the downside impulse, or wave 3. Now wave 2 should be 3 waves towards the downside, so I'm expecting more lower prices, to be honest, and sharp prices, because a wave 2 should be aggressive, okay, towards the downside. It should be to hit exactly these levels and so on. Now so far this doesn't look aggressive enough, okay. So alright, let's watch and see. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you liked the update, and if you did, please press the like button and subscribe for the channel to support the channel for more updating video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.